Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is my first video. Today I'm going to run you through my A+ setup. I took this trade, it occurred just after the 30th of December. So essentially what I want to see is price engages a higher time frame point of interest, which will either be an OTE level, a fair value gap, or a swing high. We see a time aligned SMR occur, which confirms a reversal from this higher time frame point of interest. So when I say a time aligned SMR, what I am referring to is an hour change in the state of delivery. It has a time aligned SMT on the lows, and we get a displacement with the candle that breaks and forms the hour change in the state of delivery. So if I see this, I am looking for buys from this point forward only. So if we just pan forward a bit, we want to now look for a new range to form and try and catch the continuation. So just pan forward a little bit and wait for a new range and a pullback. Alright, so new range is formed, pullback has commenced. So now what you want to do is mark up this new range, mark up the OTE level, and once price engages this OTE, we want to see what sort of reaction we get. We want to see an SMT, and then we want to drop down into the lower time frame and try and get a tight entry. So if we go forward, let's see what we get. So price has engaged it, it's been, candle has wicked it. Alright, another wick, and on this candle here it actually forms an SMT with the correlated asset XAU Euro. So we now have engagement of an OTE. We've got our SMR, so we're looking long only. Now we can drop down to the 3-minute time frame, and what we want to see here, just adjust that a bit nicer, is essentially the same thing. So I want to see a change in the state of delivery with displacement, a fair value gap forming, and then I can try and catch the continuation of that lower time frame range. Okay, so that has now occurred. We've got an M3 change in the state of delivery. We've got a fair value gap that forms as part of that. So we can either set a limit here, or we can just enter once we see that, but for the sake of this video I'll set a limit there. We want to target, for our risk management, we want to target 3R, and then once that 3R is hit, we remove 80% of our size, and then we target the higher time frame draw, which would be this swing high up here. So 3R, we'll round it up to a point of interest that aligns with that. So 3R, we can obtain that there, so we'll take a partial at this swing point. So take partial, remove 80% of size, leave runners, and then we'll leave our runners for the higher time frame draw of liquidity. That's our target for runners. Alright, let's hit play and see how this plays out. Alright, so first target's been hit. So once that's hit, I would move my stop loss to break even, and I'd leave the runners for the higher time frame draw. And there we go, full target hit. So I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe for more trading content. Yeah, thanks for watching.